Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask in the world, including masks that you can buy on places other than Amazon. Today we are looking at the Uline head tie surgical mask. And when it shows up, is actually from a company called Medline, one of the largest medical manufacturers in the world. All right, let's get into clamper and see what happens. Now this is a regulated product from the FDA. It needs to pass certain standards, and it just so happened that this machine is going to do that test. Now, Medline's a pretty good company. Look at how big that mask is. That's delightful. Super breathable, I'm sure. Medline's a pretty good company, so I think they're probably going to pass the test. That said, the box showed up all messed up, so who knows. I actually didn't think that this was the right mask when I looked at it, but then I looked on the side here, and they've got Uline S192. That's their number. Right there, see? So this is the actual mask. I think they have multiple masks that they use for this, and then they just put their number on it. Now this looks like it is made in maybe China? I don't know. Let's see. Now it showed up like this with no top on it. So like it got beat up in the shipping process. This was made in Thailand. This is their first Thailand style mask. Now this is a legit surgical mask. It's got surgical head ties, which are super annoying to put on. They're obviously like pretty strong though. And the way this works is, I don't think I get. I mean, typically you have an assistant that would do this for you. You know, if you were an actual surgeon, which I'm not. I'm not going to do a good job on this. So you do behind the neck, and then you do on the top of the head. Actually, super comfortable when you do this though. It's better than the ear loop masks if you're going to wear this for a long period of time, I think. Again, like, typically, if I was a neurosurgeon, if I was worthy of this lab coat, I wouldn't be tying this myself. I'd have people. I don't have people. Good fit. Definitely very comfortable. Could wear for a long time. Smells clean. Smells like a clean room. I'm going to say smells like a clean room. Clean. Yeah, that's great. I don't know if I can get this off. There we go. Did it. The whole reason you're here is not to watch me poorly put on a surgical mask by myself. No, it's because of this machine. It's a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. Now this product is regulated by the FDA. I believe this is a 510K mask, which means that the FDA tests this and holds these guys accountable. This thing needs to hit 98% or better according to the claims that they're making, both on Uline's website and on this. What does it say? 84.025. 84.025. Wow. That's really bad for a product that's supposed to be FDA. Woo. I don't know. I did not expect to see that, but it is an imported mask. And the problem with imported masks is like the box gets damaged. They didn't do very good packaging, so it's not sealed, so that static electricity can seep out. So by the time it shows up to you, or if you happen to be a surgeon, you know, who knows if this thing is going to protect you. That's why I am for stuff that is made here in the United States, not for everything, but for medical products like this, because if it's traveling a lot less distance, you know, if we're sealing it inside a clean room, it's easy for the FDA to, you know, keep manufacturers in line, and it's easier, you know, to get stuff just in time so that it doesn't show up like this. And it's basically broken. Like, this is not a good, if I was a surgeon, I'd want a better mask. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this. I appreciate your time and attention. And I will see you on the next test, which, by the way, is tomorrow at 10 a.m. That's right, every day, even Christmas, dropping a new test. I'll see you then.